Hey everyone, welcome to troubleshoot. Today we are going to talk about n8n and how to install n8n locally. Go to Google and search for n8n.io. You will get the n8n official page, and there you will see the pricing details in that. There is a three type of plans: starter, pro, and enterprise mode. Based on that, you have to pay for it. For local installation, we no need to pay for it. For the installation, go to the docs dropdown. You will see the self-hosted n8n. Click on it. Next, click on npm. npm is a quick way to get started with n8n on your local machine. For that, you must have to install Node.js, and the version is between 20.19 and 24. Click on Node.js. It will take you to the official Node.js website. Then you can download and install the Node.js based on the requirement. After the installation, check once the Node.js version using the command using node-v. After that, install n8n globally using the command npm install n8n-g. Enter the command in command prompt and hit enter. It will take around 20-30 minutes to install. After that, enter n8n command to start the n8n, and there you will get the localhost link. Click to enter into the n8n page. There you can see your workflows, credentials, and execution of your previous workflows. For creating a new workflow, click on Create Workflow. Add the first step on chat message. Then click on Back to Canvas. Click on the plus icon. Then click AI to get the AI agent, and then add the chat model as a Google Gemini chat model. In models, add Gemini 2.5 Flash. For the memory, add simple memory. And for a tool, add one calculator. Then start a chat and see the response of the automation. For the calculator response, give some numeric addition of chat to get the automated response.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Absent Cutter. See you in the next one.